All right, guys, about a year ago, I bought a couple of 1983 Honda Big Reds. They're both pretty much a basket case. I ended up basically making one good one out of the two. This one was the most savable one, so did a bunch of work to this, got it to where it's at today. The carburetor on this one was really bad. It was really corroded inside to the point where I didn't even take the main jet out because it was so corroded I would just break it. I did buy a carb off Amazon that I've had. I'm just kind of curious how it's gonna work. So I think I'm just gonna throw this in there and test on it. We might get fancy and put the clear bowl. Got this from 223 Cycles. It should fit on here. This one it's a manual choke, but I'll probably just have it so that it's cable operated. So let's get started. Get the air box out of here. I'll put the playlist in the description of, got quite a few videos I did on this, if you're interested in checking that out. And the carb that was in the other one is actually was pretty decent. That one's plenty savable, so I got that one too, but I just want to give this Amazon one a shot and see how it does. All right, so I ended up taking the plastics off. There's a couple bolts right there. Get this air box off, and there's just not really an easy way to do that with the plastics on. So, okay, then a couple 10 millimeters hold the carb on. All right, so here they are side by side. So basically, this screw holds on this bracket here, so that's for your choke cables held right here. So I'll just take this bracket off and put it on this one. And then this vent hose right here, this little brass piece has a hole in the bottom. Maybe you can see it there. So that's gonna stay as is. I'm not gonna put a hose on it, because if you did, it would just block that off. And then I'm gonna put the clear bowl on here too. All right, got the clear bowl on. Should be ready to install. Let's get it on here and see if it fires up. All right, let's hook up the throttle cable. Got this piece in there. All right, we're out here on Slave Lake. Well, kinda. Yeah, it's probably about 8 degrees out. It is freezing. Let's go rip around and test out this carburetor. It's really cold out here. So it did okay. I don't know if you got one of these and your carb is beyond saving, this might be a viable option. So they're pretty cheap. I'll put a link in the description. All right, thanks for watching.